Hi friends, welcome to Little Ukes. Today we're going to be playing the melody to the song Hot Cross Buns. Let's take a look at our open strings and what notes we are going to need for this song. Before we start, let's go ahead and review our open strings because those are going to be very important in this song. We have G, which is the fourth string closest to my face, then C, then E, finally closest to the floor is A. I like the saying, gray cats enjoy apples to remember the order. We're going to need two of these strings that are on the opposite sides of the instrument for this song. So let's go ahead and practice going between A and G a few times. So we're going to go to the one that's closest to the floor and then this one that is the closest to you. Let's go ahead and practice that, starting on A, and now try G. Let's do that a few more times. A, and then G. Great job. So all we need is one more note beyond those two. So I'm going to take my first finger, if I make a number 1, with the first finger of my left hand, I'm going to gently squeeze on this first fret of the second string on the green sticker. If you've been following my videos, we play the F add 9 chord by strumming using this left hand position. Today we are just going to be playing an individual note on this string, and this note is called F. So when I just pick the note by itself, this note is called F. Try that one more time. One cool thing about this song is that you can just imagine you're super gluing this to the ukulele and just leave it down for the whole song. As long as your hand is nice and curved, you'll be able to just leave your finger right there. So let's see how the song goes. It goes A, G, and then we're going to play our new note, F. Let's try that again. A, G, So guess what? If you played those 3 notes, you know most of the song already. Congratulations. Let's go ahead and try putting that in the order of the song. So we're going to do that pattern. A, G, F. We're going to do that 2 times in a row. Let's try it together. Ready? Go. A, G, F. Let's do it again. A, Good, that's half the song right there. The middle part of the song has 4 quick times on the note F, 4 quick times on the note G. Let me demonstrate once. After that section that we just played, it goes like this. F, 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 G, 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 G. So we're still leaving our finger down, but we're going to do a little bit quicker succession of notes. Try that with me, starting on F. Ready, go. F, 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 G, 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 G. Awesome. We have all of the building blocks for the song now. So we are going to do this pattern, A, G, F, 2 times. Then the quick notes, and then after that we finish with A, G, F. Let's try the whole thing all the way through. Don't worry if you don't play it perfectly. I will say the notes as we go, and just try doing this over and over and see if you can pick up a little bit more of the song each time. We still have our first finger kind of super glued with imaginary super glue to the green sticker, first fret of the second string of the ukulele. We're going to start on A. Let's give this a try. Ready, go. A, G, do that again. A, G, F. Now the quick notes. F, 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 G, 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 A, G, F. Great job. Let's try it one last time, and this time I'm not going to say anything, and see if you can still remember part or all of it. Okay. Ready, go. I know after playing that, my finger has this little indentation. Personally, I think it's the sign of a ukulele superstar, if you notice that on your hand. Congratulations if you have learned that song. That's a huge accomplishment. You learned a solo melody tune on the ukulele. We're gonna also learn the chords to this song and see if we can even put it all together. Happy practicing, and I'll see you next time.